Good evening, Bulldogs. Welcome to our traditional open house in the most non-traditional formats, a virtual edition this evening. If you're a current BHS family, you are encouraged to visit your students' teachers through their respective Google Classrooms. Each teacher has arranged a pre-recorded or a lifetime question and answer to give you an update on the happenings in their classrooms. We also recognize that open house has become as much about future Bulldogs or rising ninth graders as it has about our current students. If you are a family of a future Bulldog, we have posted sample presentations on the main page of our website. These are exemplars that provide a snapshot of a typical day that high school students are experiencing this time of year and in distance learning. Additionally, you will find videos and presentations from athletics, activities, and our counseling team. Please note that our counselors are hosting a live questions and answer session this evening at 7 p.m. A Zoom link will be provided on our website. I'm really proud of what our students, faculty, and staff have accomplished this past year and against all odds. We are meeting this moment. It is, and it will always be, great to be a Bulldog. The remaining quarter of school will focus on seeing our seniors across the finish line. We also learned this week that April and May will include in-person opportunities for some students. We can all celebrate these milestones, as it means there is some light at the end of the tunnel. We must continue to practice the precautions that have gotten us to this point. Wear masks, practice social distancing, and wash our hands frequently. We expect next fall to be a return to campus for our students, as case rates in Los Angeles County continue to decline, as more Californians are vaccinated, and as we slowly return to some semblance of the new norm. I look forward to what comes next. Burbank High School is a school community built on pride. Students leave after 4 years ready to compete and contribute in our global society. They are purposeful, respectful, innovative, determined, and engaged. Our Bulldogs also model the PBIS school-wide expectations of being respectful, responsible, and compassionate. We are excited about our work in the areas of social-emotional learning and diversity, equity, and inclusion. Currently, our 9th grade PE classes are piloting SEL mini lessons centered on identity, purpose, and belonging. We are already seeing a return on this important work. Additionally, our Equity Committee, a panel of committed teachers who are looking to help students and staff explore the topics of race and social justice, is meeting regularly. We look forward to upcoming student focus groups in the month of April, where students explore topics of race, gender, sexual orientation, and ways we might reinforce that our diversity is our strength. Have a wonderful open house and a wonderful rest of the 2020-2021 school year. Good night.